Hello and welcome to Yoga Keynsham. My name is Sandhya. I just wanted to give you a little bit of introduction to yoga for the inflexible, which we offer on Thursday evenings at 5 and 6:15 p.m. So if you were thinking about trying yoga but you think you are too stiff to come and try to class, this is the perfect class for you. The poses will be broken down and you'll be guided to go at your own pace, one that you feel comfortable with. And if you've got any pain or discomfort, you'll be encouraged to stop and do nothing that causes you any pain. And if you've got any questions, any guidance you need, we'll be more than willing to help you and support you on your journey into yoga for the inflexible. We have a class offer, so the first class is £5, so you can try out the class, see if you like it, and then if you like the class, you can then book up for the whole course if you decide. So we may see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.